How to buy Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet. If you wish to buy Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. Now all you have to do for this is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Zengo Wallet app, and then make sure that you sign in using your biometrics and you log into your account. After you do that, right on the menu you'll find a couple of options. So since we want to buy, tap on the plus icon that says buy right here. Once we've done that, you want to simply select Bitcoin over here, since Bitcoin is what we're looking to buy. Now after I have done that, simply enter the amount of Bitcoin in worth that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy $1,500 worth of Bitcoin. I will type in $1,500, then I'll tap on continue. Now I can choose a payment method, so I can use my credit card, ASTOP Pay or mobile wallet. So I can tap on the credit card option if I want to. Then once I've done that, I'll be able to see the amount of crypto that I will get for that. I can select my payment method, and here you can see I can see a couple of providers. So I can select the ones over here. Then once I've done that, I can just go ahead and then select this couple of options. Then once done, I'll be able to connect it, continue it, and then I'll be able to purchase Bitcoin. That's all it takes for me to purchase or buy Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.